Hi folks, we got a mystery lot. It's raining out, sorry about this. I have a little baggie of lapel pins, little mystery lot. Hi, $5. Let's see if I make any money. I'm not gonna make a huge amount of money off lapel pins, but there was a rush lapel pin, so let's take a look. Guardian Angel, pass. This is the brooch, pass. USA, there's a lot of these, pass. Elevate the 5 P's. Sorry. Get your McDonald's propaganda out of here. Little flame. Not that special. Mary Kay. No, thank you. I can tell this is boring. Volvo. Sometimes these army stuff do well. This is just like a little wing thing. I'll have to look it up. They all kind of mean something different. It was Sterling. I'd be real into it. Beaver Creek. Scissors are kind of cute. I could maybe do a lot of just like okay stuff. Oh, wait. Little angel pass. This is not a pin, a locket. Let's look that up. I don't know. This music sign, don't care about. Counselor? Have to look at that up. Maybe I could do an army lot. USA, don't care about that. No nukes. That's okay. I at least know a friend who might like that, if anything. Little pin with a bow, not that interesting. A little star, not interested. Eagle's okay. Maybe it goes in the okay a lot. What does this say? Crystal Society. Take me to the Crystal Society. I want to go there. Little angel. Ugh, probably not. USA, probably not going to do anything with. Ooh, angel of mine. Precious moments. Perfectly okay, maybe. I don't know if it's enough to sell in the out. Oh, Jamaica. I think that's a Jamaican flag. That's okay. Maybe it goes in the lot. This says coffee. It says copper. Not that interesting. Oh, this is keychain. USA. No, thank you. This one's maybe sellable. This might go in the okay lot. This is like bowling. Las Vegas. 200 games. Good for you. This is a Mary Kay pin. Don't care about that. Oh, God, more of these Olympic things. Greetings from 10cc. No, 10C. What is this? Angel again? I think this is our second angel pen. More angels. If I cared about the angels, I'd put them in a lot. But I just don't think they're that. I mean, angels have to be done right. You know what I mean? This is more Team USA. God, we love our Olympics, don't we? Or we did. Now we just marginally care. This is a bow. Oh, a K? Oh, my letter's a K. My initials a K. I think that's a K or an H with a little thing. I don't know. Maybe it goes in the okay thing. This is some kind of fraternity thing. Do not care. More USA. More USA. What is this? Ooh. Come back. Come to me. This is a big guy. This says Party of the Century, Day 12, St. Christopher, 1959, Vale, Beaver Creek, USA. I don't know. I don't really know if that's collectible enough to warrant a listing. Oh, here's the rush pin. Okay, that's at least worth 15 to 20. I would think. This says Ski Unknown. Oh, that's kind of cool. That might go in the okay lot. Little AIDS ribbon. Not that I don't care about the AIDS ribbon. Oh, God, why is it going to be the Confederate flag? No. 2004 sheet metal workers. Good for them. I don't think they're buying one in my Etsy shop, though. What's this say? This is probably a band. Sanctus Real. Oh, that's kind of a cool pin. I do nothing with it. A lot of these are just going right back. Oh, this is kind of, well, I don't know. This I might just keep, and like if somebody buys a lot of pins, I'll throw it in because it's kind of pretty. Ribbon. It's not looking too good, folks, but I'll make my money back. And didn't we have fun? What is this? St. Christopher. You're in your own little thing, Mayo. I don't know what this is. I'll have to look it up. If it's a Mexican, it's kind of cool. Or Spanish. No, oh, I don't have to look it up. You gave me a whole story. Ooh, boring. Queen Elizabeth, blah, blah, blah. I don't think that's worth anything. Okay, what else we got? A little heart. Okay, that might go in the okay lot. Finally, go. That's my button lot. Not amazing, but it was fun. You never know. I love a mystery. $5, low risk. Gonna make my money back with that sweet, sweet Rush pen. And maybe sell one or two other ones. Okay, love you. Thanks for watching. Bye. Follow